Welcome back. It's time for Kevin's winter weather forecast. Let's get right into it. I look at a lot of things. For one, how about the Old Farmer's Almanac? They've got a great book there, puts out some really interesting forecasts like cold and snowy for the entire Midwest, or the Farmer's Almanac. There's another one there. They've got cold and stormy for us. They've got their own formula and way of doing things, but we also looked at things like NOAA. They put out a temperature outlook each year, and they say above normal for central Illinois, which is where that purple dot is located. In terms of precipitation, near normal to maybe getting close to that below normal, which is up across some of the Great Lakes. Also, El Nino, La Nina is a key thing that we use to determine just what the winter is going to be like. El Nino would mean that the sea temperatures right there at the equator are above normal, or the opposite, below under a La Nina pattern. Well, this year, that red, way above normal, several degrees above normal. So we actually would then put that into different categories of an El Nino. In this case, we're already up into the moderate, heading towards a strong El Nino pattern. And it is a slam dunk with the forecast. Those red bars there saying 100% chance that that is going to be the pattern that we are in. And that actually helps us forecast what the winter may be like. And we can go back and look at all the numbers. We crunch the numbers, you try to find a similar year that is going to be close to the conditions that we're experiencing right now. And we can look at those in strong and very strong El Ninos. We circle a few of them and we say, let's look at some of the data. And that data from very strong and strong El Ninos shows this in terms of snowfall. You can see, and that is running below average. But that's not the only thing I look at. Siberian snowpack. What's going up here in Russia, Siberia? That is actually something that I really use as a tool. Right now, they've got a below normal snowpack. There's not a lot of snow. There's not a lot of white on the ground. So why is that something? Think about this. When there is that snowpack and there's a lot of white there, the sun would be coming down and that radiation is getting reflected back up. It's called a high albedo, okay? And so when you've got a lot of snowpack, that means it's gonna be cold. But there's not a snowpack up in Siberia this year. So it's going to be maybe a little bit warmer for us, right? Not as much cold air bottled up to the north. Sunspot activity as well. We look at that and we are definitely on the rise in solar activity, which often means a warmer winter under higher activity. All right, let's look at the forecast. I'm going with above normal with the temperatures. I'm going with above normal in terms of rainfall. And when it comes to snowfall, well, it's going below normal too. On average, we should be at 23 inches of the white stuff. I don't think we're going to be close to it. We're giving only 13 to 17 inches for snowfall this year. And a white Christmas, that could be rough. I think only about a 15% chance of that. But it's not a 0% chance. We'll always wait and see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the recap. Key takeaways. Another warmer winter. Snowfall is going to be well below normal. A few cold blasts of air, so don't think we're going to completely escape winter. Watch out for those winter severe storms. The white Christmas chance, probably not too likely. And unfortunately, for the winter snow lovers, this may not be the winter for you.